Hey everyone, Graham Brooks here. I am standing next to a farmer's field just outside of Moscow, Idaho, where it is a balmy 34 degrees. Today, I want to talk through just really briefly a common misconception that I hear frequently around data security and privacy when organizations are talking about cloud-hosted providers. One of the things that I hear is I don't trust Google or Amazon or Microsoft with my data because I don't know what they're going to do with it. I don't know if it's safe with them. I'm just not comfortable with the idea of putting my data into their environments. It's totally fair. I understand that concern, and there's frankly a lot of good reasons to have those concerns. But there's also some ignorance that I want to walk through with you all. The main thing that's ignorance is this idea that if you have your data with Google or Amazon or one of the other providers, then they're going to be able to see everything. They're going to be able to read your documents. They're going to be able to make decisions about your actual information. But that's not actually true necessarily. Now, there are some things that you can do wrong with how you configure your environments in the cloud, which gives people access who shouldn't have access. But there's also plenty of things you can do right to make sure that not only the provider, but anyone else won't have access to your data. The most important thing, if you're very cautious, is to consider using client-based encryption. The idea is that rather than having the cloud-hosted provider have the keys to the castle and trust that they're going to maintain those keys appropriately, you can just keep that with yourself. You can keep the encryption keys in your own data set, locally in your environment, encrypt your data before it goes up to the cloud-hosted provider. If you do that, then while they might not treat your data with the level of care that you think they should, and that really depends on how you are implementing the solution, they're never going to be able to read the information that you have stored in the cloud. It's as if it's just random bits and bytes. Everything will be encrypted on your side, and you are the only one who has the ability to break it, which is also dangerous because it means that you are the one who has the ability to break it, and you have no recourse if you somehow manage to lose your keys. So that's one reason why people don't feel comfortable with cloud that's not actually reasonable.